everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H3 and I'm going to do the whole interior LED lighting. I just finished upgrading the LED light. These are the vanity lights. It looks like a daylight inside, and these are the center dome lights. And if we look at on the back, and that is the trunk LED. So if we look at inside, it's looking perfect. And this is very easy and simple upgrade, but it brings the outlook. Thank you for watching, and if you like this upgrade, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. This is how the lights look at this moment. This is the original light. In order to open it, you need a small screwdriver. And there is you can see a knot. Put your screwdriver and it will come out. Tab here, one here and here. And these are small notches. You can put it on top or you can put it at the bottom. And then just pry it out. This is the bulb. We're going to take it out. Just like this. So supposingly if your bulb is burned or fuse, you take it out and replace it. But at this moment, I'm doing the LED upgrade. So this is the bulb we have taken out. I'm going to replace it with LEDs. I'll list the part number under description, so please check it out. So this is the LEDs and this is the original bulb. Look at how bright light is. Comparatively looking, the original OEM versus LED. And if we put plastic cover on, you just bend it a little bit. Perfect. On this side, just like this, and take it out. And the tip is, when you're putting these LED light or the regular bulb, put towards this end, not towards the mirror, because then you can break the bulb or the LED itself. Push it a little bit. When you push it, then it makes a room, then you press it down. And now we're going to put the cover back in. The groove, that groove should sit on the mirror. So don't put it this way. Put at the bottom, fold it and press it. Then it goes inside. You slide it this way. And then it goes in. Then you slide it back again. And that's it. Simple and easy to upgrade your vanity mirror lights to LED light. And if you look at the comparison at this moment, this is LED and that's OEM. That's the comparison right there. That's a day and night difference. I would say 5% of the light versus 100%. So I like the LED. If you like to upgrade yours, and please check it out in the description. These are the vanity light. It look like a daylight inside. Change the dome light to LED lights, and these are the LEDs I'm going to use. In order to open the dome light, you need a straight screwdriver. This is the outer ring, and if you see there is a cut on the passenger side, that's the knot. You put your screwdriver, press it like this, and it just opens up. There is a small tab. You don't want to pop open from the left side. This is the tab I'm talking about. Pull these bulbs out. Pull it down just like that, and be careful, they're going to be hot, so don't burn yourself. Try to turn it off. This is the center one. The same thing, you just pull it out just like that. So these are the original OEM, we took it out, and these are the LEDs we're going to replace with. It's very simple and easy to put it on. You just put it in here just like that, and you just press it. You press it at one side, just like this, and then you press it on the other side. And this is the one on the side. So we're going to put it just like this. So we turn it on. Very bright LEDs. And if we look at the center one, these are super bright. Super bright. Now we're going to put this one just like this, if you see. This is the way you put it, and then you push it back, and you do it from this end, and then you just press it. And that's all. Simple and easy to replace it, LED. And if we look at on the back, this is another LED. So I'm going to replace it, the same LEDs, the same way, and we're going to pop it open and we're going to replace it. Light in the trunk, and I'm going to replace it with LED, and also it will help you out if the bulb is fused or burned out, how you replace it. You need a smaller screwdriver. So there is a cutout, if you see on the outer ring, this is the cutout, and that's on the driver's side. So you put it in, press it towards that way, there is a little tap and it will come out very easy. So we're going to pull this bulb out. So I'm going to replace with the LEDs and these, the original bulb. And look at this. It's super bright. And we're going to put it back in. Same way. Press it back. And it snaps in. Look at how beautiful the light is. So if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.